How to set up screen lock in a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other Samsung S25 series. By default, when you tap on a power button, side button, you can see unlock your device. So if you want to set lock screen security, follow the steps here. That will helpful to secure your phone data. So first of all, open the app drawer on your device. Tap the setting gear icon. Now scroll down up to lock screen and AOD. Tap on it. At the top, you can find the screen lock and biometrics option. Tap on it. Here you can see screen lock and biometric option. In screen lock, you can set PIN, medium high security, passwords. Password is the strongest security you can use on your smartphone. Pattern, swipe, non. So by default, set the non option. You can also use biometrics, face recognition, or fingerprint on your device. So here we select the pattern in my device. Now remember this pattern. If you forgot it, you will need to reset your phone and all data will be removed. So make sure remember your pattern. So draw your pattern. Tap on a continue. Now draw the pattern again to confirm it on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. Now tap on a confirm to confirm it. Now set the lock screen notification as a notification style dot icon or icons in the status bar or a show notification as a card. Also show content or hide content. Select the option and tap on a done. Now set the screen lock. Now lock your Samsung S25 Ultra. And when you try to unlock, you need to draw the pattern on your device to unlock your Samsung S25 Ultra. So here we use this and unlock my Samsung device. So it's quite easy to set up screen lock on your Samsung S25 series. That's it. Like it, share it.